Good morning, everyone. Here is Chao. Today I'm going to make a tiny techno because of. Let me quote what Nikki said.
Man over here.
Can we please make Technoblade tiny? I want to see tiny.
Nikki, we can't make everyone tiny.
Why not?
The following video will be a simple how to make pure time lapse. And English is not my first language, so if you catch anything wrong, just take it. Or I will start stabbing you instead of stabbing wool. For the material part, we will need needle for felting, wool, and foams. Foam is not necessary, it is a protective layer under the wool. You can find other similar materials to replace it. I put some links in the description, you can buy what we need here. Or you can just go online and search needle fitting, wool, and tools, it will be helpful. What is needle felting and how it works? The needle for felting has a row of bars on it. By poking it in and out of the wool, the bars will engage the fabrics of the wool, which will then be hardened and shaped. So wool felting is basically repetitive work, just like farming potatoes. You have to keep planting and farming, poking in and poking out. This is the best and safest analogy I can think of, because if I compare this to stabbing an orphan, YouTube won't be happy about that. So let's get into it. First, choose the right color of wool. If you think the color is not good enough, you can mix the wool by tearing it apart. But I've already bought like 2 drawers of wool, so picking the right color is not my problem. Next, flatten the wool, arrange it, and roll it up. Make it look like your sketch, but bigger, because it will become smaller later. Then pick up the thickest needle and start poking. If you feel like the needle is not moving at all, you can change it to a smaller one and continue. Let it slowly set and shape. Here are some safety tips. First, the needle can only be straight up and down. You can't go in straight and come out different angles, otherwise the needle may break. Please believe me, you don't want to see this situation. Second, when the needle pokes in, the back should be foam or other stuff. It should not be your hand. Believe me, you don't want to see that situation either. Third, repeating work is boring. Of course, you can watch video while doing this, but please be safe and stay focused. Otherwise, you will watch Techno stab an orphan and stab your own hand in the same time. So yeah, roll the wool, stab it, repeating, and I think that's all. I don't know what to say, so just watch the time lapse instead.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you. We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Cute little Techno, Tiny Techno. Hi, how are you? My little pig.
Okay, that's enough. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. If you have any problem while making your own tiny techno, following my tutorial, yeah, you can comment below. Maybe I can help. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, here are some other videos, like if you want to see me like drawing sleepy boys with washi tape, yeah, you may want to check it. Go watch it, please. And there are another video, like I make another techno plushie go watch it. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye.